Hello, everybody. Welcome to my channel, Reborns by Misty. I am hosting a contest, and I am hosting a contest to help build Reborns. That would be AKA Emily Elliott, her memberships and her YouTube to grow. I'm helping it to grow, and I am throwing a contest, and there's two ways to win. One way is going to be, now just remember this, keep this in your mind. One is going to include the choice of kits, reborn kits, package that includes that. And then the other package is not going to include the reborn kit. Okay, so keep that in mind. They're both same packages, one with the reborn kit, one without. All right. So, oh, let me just share with you. This is Lucas. I am painting along with her series, the Lucas kit series by Cassie Brace. And this is a tutorial that she is doing, and I took liberties and did some of my own stuff. So hers is more pronounced. It's amazing. I just, you know, I kind of do my own thing sometimes too within it, but I do follow directions. I might just use a different type of red or her stork bite or birthmark, whatever you want to look at it as, is more pronounced than mine. So it's real easy to still make it your own, but still follow directions. So anyways, this is absolutely not done. I have the details to do now. Amelia, she shows you all of that, every bit of it. So that is my motivation for helping her build her channel, her YouTube channel, and her memberships, is because I read so many times every day. You can jump into any group and basically see somebody pleading for some type of help of how to paint, what are the steps, how do you get depth, the list goes on and on. So that's what this contest is for, not only to help my friend Emily, but it is also to help the artists out there that really want to do this and really want to up their game. So, and it's open to everybody, everybody. That means though, the referrals are not just for signing up and unsigning up after the contest. That just, use your conscience as your guide. I'll just say that. All right, so the prize, I have added to it since I wrote this, but the prize will be a set of Bountiful Baby Genesis red paints, the dark red, medium red, and light red, the sampler pack of microblades. This might be a full pack though that I have here, so you might get that instead of sampler. The Exodus thinning oil, 2 puppy pads, and you will also receive. She just let me know today that she has some rooting needles that she'll include there, um, also to be part of this package. And then these are laminated sheets that she has suggested us to use. That's what she uses. I don't know about this one, but this one. And these two will be included with a ring to keep them together. And I already hole punched them for you. These are ones I made up, and this will be for you. And this is how she pretty much goes by and builds her deck through these colors. But once you start following her, when you join her membership group for $5 a month, you will learn all of it. So she not only says, okay, we're going to take this color red and we're going to do this, and then we're going to add a little bit more thinner and do this, and then we're going to add this color to that and do this. Not only are you going to do that, but you're going to understand why. And she really has a great approach to teaching. And for $5 a month, you cannot beat that. Okay. So that's what's going to be included. So let me go ahead and put Lucas aside here. I just want to keep going and get this um, moving along. But let me just give you a quick peek. This is what I'm talking about. This is one of the packages. Here's the Exodus thinning oil. She goes over that in her several times throughout her videos. It is amazing to have. I had it for the longest time, never used it until I watched her videos. So there's that. And then the kits will be like, you're going to have a choice of Monet from Let me grab this. I'm not going to bring his whole kit over here. This is Monet. He is an artist kit, and I did purchase him from Reborns. Uh, and he is 8 of 500. That will be a choice for the. This is now the kit will be added to whoever wins the membership referrals. That means that they sign up for her $5 referrals. And how they'll know it's you is Emily has put a question in the membership when you go to sign up. It says, "Does somebody refer you?" And you put yes, and you put the person's name, and then that's how there's going to be credit for the referral. Okay, so or let's say that again the correct way. When you refer somebody, say Janet Smith is going to go, "Oh my gosh, I've been waiting to find Emily all my painting life. I want to sign up." She's going to hit that join button. She's going to hit the $5 membership a month, and it's going to come up with questions, and it's going to ask who referred you, and she's going to put your name in there. And that's how we're going to track the membership entries. All right, so here is also one of the Martin sleeping. He's 18.5 inches. He's from Bountiful Baby. That will be one of the options. Monet will be one of the options. And I also have here Clyde Awake. If you like Awake Baby, Clyde Awake, he's super cute. Look at him. He's going to be an option. And I think I have one more. Let me see. I think this is it right here. Um, it's going to be Anna sleeping in. All these are straight from Bountiful Baby. I don't know what happened to her sticker. Maybe I got it accidentally ripped off. I have no idea. But I have receipts. I have COAs for all of these kits. Many kits I have that are supposed to have COAs do have COAs. If there are artist kits that do not ever have a COA, then they're not going to come with a COA. But what I am offering you today as these options, they will have COAs. So there you go. Those are going to be the kit options with the membership contest. All right. So now refer friends, family, other artists to Emily's YouTube. If you want to win same prize but without the kit, you will say, "Hey, go join her YouTube." They'll join. They'll go to the comments and they'll say, "Janet Smith referred me." There's her entry. I will be keeping track of that. I used to do a lot of these types of giveaways in my other niche YouTube that I have, and that is how I tracked them. They would come and make a comment in there, and that's how I just went through all the comments and tracked the entries. All right, so again, this is over referring people who are interested in reborning. Okay, so of course that if your mother, grandmother, sister, your sister's friends, if they are not interested in reborning, please again use your conscience and do the right thing. Don't have a bunch of people joining just to get the prize. It's just not nice. Please don't do that. Okay. But seriously though, if your grandmother, your mother, your sister's friend, and your sister all want to get into reborning and they all sign up for the membership, that's great. If they all sign up, or not sign up, but if they all join her YouTube and become subscribers, that's great. So that's just the thing we ask. Please do not. This is not a numbers game for you. This is really just to be kind to other artists, and I'm trying to do something really nice for Emily. All right, so you get one entry for every new subscriber to her YouTube channel. Again, they must mention your name in the comment of the video that you sent them. A VR. A VR is a video response for people who do not mind going on YouTube and saying, "Hey, there's a link in the description. Go here and do this. This is what's happening. It's a kit. You get a prize." Whatever how you want to describe it, as long as it only pertains to what is in these prizes and you send them, you get 2 extra entries just for mentioning either if you're a YouTuber already, then you can just mention it during a video. Just make sure you give all the details and the information in the details box, or you can do a video just for this contest and give them the information. Either way, you get two extra entries for one video response if you do. Okay, so I did that. Oh, Reborn Facebook groups. Please make sure you have the admin's approval. We do not want any problems. Anything is attached to Emily. I'm doing this to be a good friend, not cause her problems. So make sure that no matter what group you're in, you always check with the admin. Hey, there's a contest going on over at Reborns. I'd love to repost it. If I get any referrals, that's great. If not, that's great. But, always make sure that, and you can take the link of this video and you can just post it in the group. And then that way they can come over and see all of how it's done. If you don't want to give all the information, you can just post it in the group and say, hey, check out this video. It's a great contest. And they got great prizes that you can win. And they click on the link and they're going to hear the same information you are right now. So that keeps that real simple. Let's see if there is anything else. I think that is it. If you guys have any questions, please, please, please put them in the comments of this video. That'd be fantastic. I'm super excited. So again, just to clarify, we have two ways to win, two separate prizes. Okay, one is going to be for how many referrals you send to her YouTube to, people to subscribe for new subscribers, and they have to comment that they subscribe to her YouTube. And I will put all the links and the details of this video. And then the other way to win is when you do become a subscriber to her YouTube, they want to join and learn to paint and all that stuff and be part of this amazing community that she has in a private Facebook group. In those videos of hers, there's a little word that says join below the video, and look for that. And then you click that join and it says pick which level you want, click the $5 level, and then you can go ahead and answer the question because whenever we go into Facebook groups, we usually have questions we got to answer. And one of them is going to say, who referred you? And that's when you put the person's name that you referred. That's when you get the referral for your person coming in and joining. So really what you're going to get, if you really want to look at the big picture, is they're going to go to her YouTube to join her membership, right? So they're going to become a member of her YouTube. So that's one entry for the prize without the kit. And then if they go ahead and become a member, that's another entry. I mean, there's so many ways to do entries now. Now we got video response, that's two entries. We got Reborns. If you post in a Reborn group and you get people from that Reborn group, that's two entries. So make sure that they say, hey, so and so sent me from a group. It's our responsibility as the people who are receiving to make sure that if I tell my neighbor, hey, you're not a member, I know you already paint stuff, but Emily's amazing and I've told you about her. We're having this contest. Why don't you go ahead and join our channel for $5 a month, and all you got to do is go to her YouTube and do that. She goes to her YouTube, she hits that join. How did you get referred here? Misty Salomon. Boom, it's done. Now I know. You know what I mean? So there's so many different ways of earning. Keep it simple. I could talk and I'll just confuse you to death. So really, if you have any at all, any questions, please go ahead and ask in the comments. Have a fantastic day. I hope that y'all participate in this contest and share this video. That's great. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.